வாழ்க வளமுடன். Be blessed by the divine. Dear aspirants, happy morning to all. Today's food for thought is about the secrets of nature and inner vision of truth. The secrets of nature and inner vision of truth. The secrets of successful life is clearly explained in our Manavalakalai Yogam. Let us have a visual imagination of the universe. Imagine the whole universe as a huge globe. By our total perspective inner vision, we can all clearly understand that the earth is one. The water that we all are drinking is one. The water is taken up as vapor from the sea by nature, purified, made into clouds, and released as rain throughout the world. Now we come to the air. The air that was all our inhaling and exhaling is only one. We know nothing in the world is created by anyone. All our needs are provided only by nature with its omniscient consciousness, love, and compassion for all living beings. When the realities are thus, why does humanity suffer from pain, miseries, problems, enmity, wars, and all other difficulties? What is the reason? One of the reasons for our sufferings is that the majority of mankind does not have the knowledge of function of laws of nature. இயற்கை விதி, இயற்கை நீதி, அறியாமை. All the secrets of nature are hidden within 7 principles of the universe. These are 1. God, the primordial state of the universe, the gravity. The next one is infinitesimal primary energy particle, which is the primary imperceptible unit of all appearance or masses. The third one is the magnetic wave particle, which is the dissolved fluid form of the primary energy particle. The surrounding compressive force of the gravity causes such dissolution. The fourth secret is the magnetism, which is formed by the coalescence of gravity and the wave particle mentioned above. The fifth principle is pressure, sound, heat, taste, smell, and the feeling phenomenon mind, which are the transformation of magnetism. Sixth one is imperceptible wonders and secrets inherited with the soul. Seventh one is the state of life of man and other organism before birth and after death. Human society is to be enlightened with the knowledge of the above 7 principles, 7 secrets of nature. This is the appropriate age of humanity to have a cultural reformation and understanding of the nominal aspects of the universe and life. So far, in our educational system, much about the wonders of nature has been taught, but one important part of education is missing. That is, how to lead a harmonious and successful life. The secret of successful life is clearly explained in our Manavalakalai Yogam. The regular practice of Manavalakalai Yogam will help us to know about secrets of nature and also help us to arrive at a clear inner vision of the truth. தேங்க்யூ ஆல். வாழ்க வளமுடன்.